Hello guys, I hope you are enjoying my videos. Today I have a very important trick for you guys, and the trick of the day is about percentage, how to determine the percentage of a number. So now the trick of percentage and solve like a pro. So let's start our video of the day. This is our given question. 560 is 20% of what number? So 20% of a number is equal to 560. So what is the complete number? That is 100%. What value of that number is? That is 100% of this number. So this is our question. 560 is 20% of what number? This given question is in the form of word problem, and we have to convert this word problem into mathematical form. So how can we convert this in mathematical form? Let's see over here. So 560, we will write 560 as 560. 560 is, in mathematics, please remember that is means equal to. So we will write equal to 20%. What is the meaning of 20%? 20% means that 20 out of 100. So we will write over here 20 divided by 100. So looks 20 divided by 100 of. In mathematics, of means multiply by. So we will write dot over here for multiplication. And what number? We don't know the number, and we have to determine this number. So for unknown in mathematics, we use variables like x, y, or z. So we will put for this unknown number as x. So this is unknown number, and we have to determine this number. So now we will just so now we have prepared this mathematical equation, and our next step is to simplify this equation. So we can write this equation as 560 is equal to 20 divided by 100 into x. So we will simplify as 20 ones are 20 and 25s are 100 equal into x. So 560 is equal to now x divided by 5. So in the next step, we will multiply this 5 with this 560. So it will become 560 into 5 equal to x. Now we will multiply this 5 with this 560. So it will become x equal to 2800. So this is the required number, that is x is equal to 2800. So you can say 560 is 20% of 2800. So 560 is 20% of 2800. So this is this was the trick of the day, which is very easy. Your task is only to convert this word problem into mathematical equation like this. Now the meaning in mathematics is always means equal to, and of means multiply by, and what number means very unknown variable. So this was the trick of the day. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, so please like this video, and also subscribe my channel for further videos like this. Goodbye.